Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the Aussie dollar, I still think it looks like three waves up for like a W. It looks like three waves down for an X. I think there's a very good possibility we're going to make three waves up for another wave Y, which probably will go up and take out these highs before it makes another attempt to continue the downtrend. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still believe this whole move up right here is probably like a wave 1 of Y. This looks like an ABC, like a 2 of Y. And I think this is going to keep on trending up over the coming weeks and months to eventually make that 3, 4, and 5, probably more like this, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave Y. Just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So let's take it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this first move up is a 1. I think this has already made an ABC of 2, and I think this move down is a crescent to this move up, and I believe there's a very good likelihood that's just going to keep on trending up, all part of a wave 3 of wave Y, just like what I was showing on the longer time frames. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this one really looks like it's already ended a crescent. I definitely see one down wave A, corrective up wave B, and another down wave C. It just barely missed a 61.8, but I would definitely call that close enough to as a hit. I think there's a good chance this is already ended a crescent. Now tomorrow is FOMC news for the federal FOM funds rate news for the dollar. So I think there's a good chance that this will continue the uptrend tomorrow. So it probably is going to end up making a crescent between now and then. And then at tomorrow's news, I think there's a good chance that it will end up continuing the uptrend. And I will be live streaming at that news event tomorrow, the FOMC federal funds rate. So definitely check me out at that time. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we definitely have breaks of structure. We definitely have a nice impulsive move up. I do think that the move up might not be quite over, but I do think at some point today it is going to start to make a crescent, probably setting itself up for tomorrow. And most likely tomorrow, I think it's going to end the crescent and continue the uptrend. I think this may be the end of an ABC crescent, like a wave 2 of 3, and it's going to go up for a wave 3 of 3, probably most likely at tomorrow's FOMC Federal Funds News event. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.